75% of Americans drive to work every day. The implications of this is constant traffic jams and an increase in greenhouse emissions. Electric bicycles are cheaper in maneuverability, and this makes them more convenient, especially if you live in a city. In this video, we will show you the top 5 e-bikes that you can buy. If you are a gadget lover and like to watch videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Babymaker. A single-speed road bike with a reliable and smooth belt drive. Very aesthetically pleasing, minimalist design that hides the battery and uses a no-nonsense display. Also comes in a variety of colorways to choose from. Mechanically, it is operated by a single-speed belt drive. It has a 64-cog ring in the front and 22 cogs in the rear. This makes the bike not only very smooth and quiet, but also means less maintenance, since you don't have to lube the belt, and in addition, driven by a 250 to 350 watt hub drive motor from AKM. 25 mph top speed, high-resolution 12-magnet cadence sensor. Comes with a minimalist display for a stealthy look. 36-volt 7-amp battery is completely hidden within the frame. Stays protected and helps the bike blend in. Since it is made of rubber, it will not rust over time. Overall, this is more reliable too. Since this is a road bike, it is only natural you get 700C by 28 thin road tires. This makes the bike extremely efficient and quick on paved surfaces, and feature a deep section rim so you have stouter, stronger spokes. We are big fans of bottle cage bosses, so I am happy to say that they are here on this bike, and that is a great addition for a lot of reasons. You can fit a number of accessories on them, not just water bottles. There are aftermarket add-ons like a GPS tracker, a folding lock, mounting points for racks, and many others that can get your bike set up just the way you want. That 33 pounds helps drive the bike to one of its strongest points, the way it rides. It is incredibly nimble and agile. The balance is even wonderful. You could ride no hands very comfortably and easily. This is one of the biggest wins for the bike overall. Fido D11. Fido D11 reconstructs the shape of a traditional bicycle, using lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum alloy to make the body weigh only 12.9 kilograms. It provides 100-kilometer riding range in moped mode, while still being ultra-lightweight, allows riders a next-level riding experience with an unprecedented body frame. Not everyone can afford a premium electric bike with prices that usually start at $2,000. But what if you could spend half that and still grab yourself a good enough e-bike that's suitable for long urban commutes and flexible enough to toss into the trunk of your car, roll onto a train, or carry home to your 5th floor walk-up? That's what I hope to find with the newest folding e-bike from Fido. The novel thing about the D11 design is the giant seat post that houses a rather beefy 418-watt, 36-volt, 11.6-amp battery for such a diminutive bike with 20-inch wheels. The battery charges from 0 to full in a slow 7 hours. That long battery creates a very long seat post, which should make the D11 adaptable to a wide variety of rider heights. But no, the battery is marked with numbered gradations so that you can insert it to the same depth each time. If you obey the max and minimum insertion marks, then the Fido D11 is only suitable for tall riders. The seat design does allow the D11 to fold nice and compact, since it can be shoved through the frame, nearly to the ground, instead of sticking up like a flagpole. Other, more expensive folding bikes make you carry the battery separately when collapsed, or require a few extra steps to reposition and secure the seat post to reach minimum volume claims. One of the issues with folding e-bikes is that they're heavy, and so not easy to manhandle onto a train or into the boot of your car. That's true here. The D11 weighs in at just over 12.9 kilograms. If you're looking for an inexpensive folding e-bike, then the D11 is pretty good for the money. Not everything is great, but you wouldn't expect it to be at this price. Overall, it's a likable bike for short journeys and mixed-mode commutes. Fatmini. With an alloy foldable frame, strong double-wall aluminum wheel rims, and easy-to-reach brake levers with power cutoff, a bright front LED bicycle headlight, a distinctive horn, and with reflectors on wheels and on the rear to give you peace of mind when night riding. The bike has many top-quality parts. This bike has Samsung lithium battery Shimano gear set, Tektro brakes front and rear, and Bafang brushless motor. All these things make the e-bike one of the best e-bikes in this range. It has a 48-volt 13mAh lithium light-ion removable battery for up to 50 miles range under one charge. Powerful 500-watt motor, 180mm hydraulic brake set with motor auto shut, Mozo front fork suspension with lock, semi-grip twist throttle with on-off button and pedal assist, 2 easy step folding mechanism, built-in rear rack and fenders, etc. Furo X. The Furo X is an ultra-lightweight folding electric bike. Ready to ride in seconds, the carbon fiber frame keeps the weight down to just 15 kilograms, including the motor and battery. The Furo X merges power, range, elegance, and fun with extreme practicality. Cutting-edge aerospace-grade carbon fiber ensures that it's an incredibly lightweight yet robust electric bike. We pride ourselves on meticulous attention to detail and high-end manufacturing. Feel the difference and discover the Furo X, a truly exhilarating ride. The Furo X carbon fiber frame is manufactured using state-of-the-art aerospace technologies to give one of the lightest electric bikes in the world. The Furo X's frame is engineered to be folded in seconds. It is easily transportable in both its folded and unfolded configurations. All its electronics are integrated within its frame so that riding it offers you comfort and fun with no compromise on style. The Furo X folds in 3 simple steps and weighs just 15 kilograms fully equipped. It can fit in your bag or trunk while weighing less than a backpack. Riders can fully remove this battery from the frame for charging, maintenance, or replacement. This feature is especially useful as riders can pack fully charged spare batteries for their ride, effectively doubling, tripling, etc. The Furo X Max features 36-volt, 10.5 mAh, 378-watt cells and a 500-watt peak motor power. Alongside this, a greater range of 55 kilometers is also offered, although a slightly longer charging time of 5.5 hours is required. The Furo X offers a comfortable and easy ride. The low-down walk-through frame allows riders to easily mount and dismount, perfect for elderly riders and those with mobility issues. The Furo X further features an integrated USB charger, the perfect lifeline for any emergency electrical devices. A key lock located on the battery housing helps riders secure and safeguard their ride, alongside protecting the battery. Whilst weighing just 15 kilograms, this lightweight electric bike supports weights of up to 100 kilograms, over 6.5 times its own weight, further attesting to the brilliant build quality. The combination of an ultra-lightweight and electric-boosted bike is a treat for urban living. Crowded hallways and lifts are no big deal, as the small footprint provides great flexibility. MetroMule. The JUNTO MetroMule allows you to get to where you're going fast, without compromising on storage, all while lowering your carbon footprint. It's the first utility e-bike with 3 storage compartments, so you can carry everything you need with ease. The MetroMule features a lightweight, durable aluminum frame, Shimano Dior shifting, a 36-volt, 11.6 mAh battery, and high-torque 350-watt Bafang motor that's capable of traveling up to 60 miles on a charge. It allows you to actually replace your car. Other e-bike companies use heavy, high-wattage motors with inefficient direct-drive systems. These clunky, outdated systems feel muddy and slow when compared to this system. JUNTO's torque-sensing pedal assist drive system creates a seamless connection between your pedaling and the motor's power output. The pedal assist feels incredible and gives you a massive amount of torque with minimal effort to make hauling your cargo and tackling hills a breeze. Dial in your perfect ride and feel the JUNTO difference. Previously, it was going to be this cumbersome task. Yeah, you want to do something for the environment, but maybe you don't want to be in this metal box all the time. But you'd have to be in your 20s and have quads of steel to lug around groceries for your entire family. There were these cargo bikes with giant barrels in front to hold a keg or something, but you need a garage just to use the thing in the city. The MetroMule really just closes that accessibility gap for a lot of people and makes it a much less intimidating purchase. You're not getting something that is going to make your life harder, it's going to make it exponentially easier. It also has the hydraulic brakes. If you are carrying something, or your kids, that is just a major safety aspect. Those are the sort of things that make it as affordable and accessible as possible. The MetroMule is available in 2 colors, matte black and matte yellow, and comes in JUNTO's one-size-fits-all frame, wherein all that the rider needs to do is simply adjust the saddle and handlebars for a comfortable ride.